Hello everyone and welcome to the video. In this video, let me show you how you can post a new job update on LinkedIn. So first, open your LinkedIn app. On your top left, click your profile photo, then click on View Profile. From here, click on Add Section, and then Add Position. Here you can choose to notify your network about the changes in your profile by toggling off if it's gray out or on when it's green. So let's say we have a new job update. We've become an account manager. And then you can also update your employment status if you're full-time, part-time, etc. So let's say I'm full-time. And then you can choose to put your company name. So that's company X. Put the location. And you can also choose a location type if you want, on-site, hybrid, or remote. And then let's say start date is this month, and then of course you're presently working in there, so end date stays at present, and you want to end your current position that is in your LinkedIn profile, and then you can update the industry, put a description, or you can update your profile headline, or you just want it to be blank. And then when you're done with that, you can add your skills and any media, but when everything's good to go, you can click on save. And that's all about it. That's how you post a new job update on your LinkedIn profile. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.